breaking my heart because I feel like I'm gonna have to retire Tequila.
Tired of waiting, got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately.
Hey you guys, this is Lexiana and welcome back to Lex in the City vlogs. So today is Friday, thank the Lord. So it's like the end of my work day. I'm trying to wrap up on all my last minute work. I just had me a nice like tofu sandwich or whatever, but it is dark out here. It is so gloomy and dark because it is about to pour down raining. It's been raining all week, which is sad because like damn, can we get some heat, some sunshine? And you know, I'm trying to put the trash bag in the trash can. All right, so like I was saying, it's just been raining and being real ugly all week, but I'm about to pack a little bag because my sister got a hotel at the harbor for, she's been there since her birthday on Tuesday. She got it for a couple of days, and I'm just gonna go hang with her. I didn't get to see her actual birthday, so just like spend the night with her. Hang down the harbor, have some girl talk, some girl time, you know, kick it, cool it, do all those cute things. And then tomorrow, me and my dad are, I think my sister may be coming too, are going to be going car shopping. So I'm not actually buying a car just yet, but I do want to go look at my options because I'm confused on what type of car to even get, what's out there. I haven't owned a car in like 4 years. It's been like 3.5 years. So I just want to see like, okay, what do I want? What do I feel comfortable driving? This wig and these pieces of hair. What do I feel comfortable driving with? What do I like? How much do I want to spend? All that good stuff. So we're just gonna go check some cars out and do that. But first, I need to finish up with work. It's actually been stressing me out, low-key but high-key, just because it's just been so much going on. Y'all do not understand, like, us being quarantined has like amplified my workload tremendously, like tremendously. So I'm like trying to keep it together, trying to keep my composure, but your girl is stressed. So I just been working, like working. Nobody's perfect. That's not even ours. That's not working. That's perfect. Nobody's perfect. But I am almost done for the day. I'm so thankful that next week I have a half a day. On Friday I have a summer Friday. I don't know what I'm gonna do once all these summer Fridays are gone. They are dwindling down and I'm going to be hurt McGirt. Today wasn't mine, today was my boss's, so I just feel like everything was like amplified because she was trying to get stuff done before she logged out for the day, you know. And I don't blame sis. I don't blame sis at all. So today is Friday. It makes it like official. I guess this is, no, it hasn't been a week. Sunday will make it an official week that I've been like on my health journey. And okay, midweek Wednesday I failed. I had Wingstop because I was very stressed out over just a lot of shit that has been going on in my life. And I was just like, you know, I needed some type of feel-good food. I didn't want any liquor. I quit smoking. So my feel-good, okay, seriously. My feel-good food was some wings. So I had wings. But other than that, I think I've been pretty good. I haven't honestly really been eating, which is also weird because my appetite is like, I'll drink my smoothie in the morning and then for the rest of the day either I'll like munch on like my healthy snacks and stuff like that, or I just don't be wanting nothing. Like I just don't be wanting no type of food or anything like that. I'm getting really distracted, so let me finish. It is about to pour. Like I'm really over the rain. Like, if we can't go to Buenos Noches, then where can we go? Let me see what the percentage is. I feel like it's gonna rain all night. That sleep about to finna be bomb though. Let's see. Washington. Okay, it says cloudy, cloudy, cloudy. Like titty. So for this was 90 as well, and I got this in a size men's small. These were a men's medium, and yeah, so that was that. That's the set for that. And then I got this oatmeal colored, kind of like, this is not terry cloth, like I can't explain the material, but it's like that really cute, I say really cute, really nice material, and it has drawstrings on it. It has the essentials, and this was $90 as well. So this is going to be really cute just to throw on and be super comfortable for the fall time. Because I love the quality, I will definitely try to order more if PacSun restocks on anything. But the quality itself, okay, seriously, hair. The quality itself just speaks to like the price tag and how much it's worth. So hopefully, like, once I wash it, we won't have no issues either. But I want to show y'all because that's the newest thing in my closet. I actually want to do some shopping, so I'll probably place an order and do some shopping today. Or later tonight. I like to shop like late at night on my phone, just scrolling through stuff. So I have a lot of stuff pinned, or a lot of things in my cart that I've been wanting to get, so I'm gonna just be like, F it and get it for real. And yeah, so I'm gonna finish up working, and then I'm gonna check back in once I start packing and head out the door. Okay, work is done for the day. My mom is here, so I'm about to, I end up packing, throwing some stuff in a bag. I hope I didn't forget anything. It's crazy for like an overnight bag. I still have so much stuff, and then like I said, tomorrow we're gonna look at cars, so I just like grabbed something to throw on, because at this point it don't really matter. So it didn't rain. That's good news. That's great news. So hopefully we can still get on the Ferris wheel. I haven't worn my trusty dusties in a long time, so I'm putting these on today. These are so comfortable. So I'm not sure if you guys are like into designer shoes or whatever the case may be, but these are the Prada Cloudbursts. I got these on sale at Nordstrom's. They're originally like 800. My nail broke again. What the fuck? They're originally like $800. I think I ended up paying like $150 or something like that for them. They're a little busty right now, but these things are so comfortable. Definitely and highly recommend if you're interested. So my nail broke, so I have to, I think I put the nail glue in my bag. I'm just gonna glue this back in the car. My mom has an attitude with me, so I'm not sure if she's going to be filling the cam, but that's here nor there. Yeah, I put the glue in this, cut the light off, gotta grab my mask. I need to get more masks. I don't know who sells masks. I do know who sells masks. I'm sitting here about to lie. I've seen them all over my dang on timeline on Instagram. I need to go ahead and place an order and get some more because I have 2, and the 2 I'm working with ain't doing it no more. But I'm gonna check back in when I get in the car because I need to go downstairs before her being upset turns into her cussing me out. Y'all, so I just pulled up at the hotel. Look at this view. We're getting on the Ferris wheel later, but look at this. The Woodrow Wilson Bridge. This is a view that I could wake up to every day. Like, I need my condo to have this, some type of view like this near the water.
Definitely, because I told my mom.
Say hey, Nine. Birthday girl on the cam.
But yeah, I definitely told my mom moving out here to college.
No, like, I definitely need some type of something on the water. Because this, Waking up to this in the morning.
Man, what? That's why I ain't leaving.
You don't want to be in the cam? You ain't hear me say you want to be in the cam? Such a vibe down here. Good morning. My voice is a reflection of how my night went. So last night we went and got dinner. I got a cute little clips of dinner. Dinner was so good. We went to this place called Redstone. Got a nice like Caesar salad, some buffalo shrimp, and a lot of tequila because it was National Tequila Day. And it's breaking my heart because I feel like I'm gonna have to retire tequila because every time I drink it, I wake up the next morning with a headache. And tequila is my drink. And I don't drink like cheap tequila. I was drinking like the Don. I don't like 1942, but you know, I drink, you know, top shelf tequila, but I still wake up with a headache. So I think it might be time to switch over to a new drink. But today is a new day. We went and like I said, got food. We went to the MGM. The freaking architecture in the MGM's lobby is so beautiful. Like it was like a garden theme and it was gorgeous. And then we just came back and crashed. I slept in because, you know, I've been working all week, so I like to sleep in on Saturdays. So that's what I did. It's like 11 o'clock now, 11 o'clock-ish. Naya, my sister and her mom went to go run an errand. So I'm about to go meet with my friends, Nita and Maya. They so happen to be down here because they just walked the Woodrow Wilson Bridge. That is the Woodrow Wilson Bridge. It is like 5-something miles. And they decided to walk it this morning. In which I'm gonna get into them because ain't nobody invite me to walk the bridge. Even though I don't think I would have walked it. But I'm gonna still get into them because the invite would have been nice. So when I woke up this morning and I was on Instagram, I was like, oh, y'all down at the harbor. I'm down here. So I'm about to go meet them. But first I need to get some coffee or something to bring me back to life, to wake me up. So I'm gonna go to Starbucks, which is next door. And then on the agenda for today, I'm supposed to be going to look at cars with my dad, but I haven't heard from him. He was supposed to call me back yesterday. He never called me back. So I don't know. I'm not pressed. We can go later today or whatever the case may be. I'm hanging with my sis. It's her birthday weekend. So I'm open to just hang. I'm not really, you know, just kind of going with the flow. Gonna enjoy my Saturday. It looks like it's really nice outside and not too hot. So it's gonna have a good day. I'm excited. Like waking up to like water and this view is like so motivational. Like I feel so motivated. What else can I see while I'm over here? I can't see parts of DC. Oh, you can see the pencil a little bit. A little bit of the pencil. You can see all of VA. And then like Maryland. You can literally see all 3 areas. Virginia, DC, and then Maryland. So it's just I don't know, goals. We didn't get on the Ferris wheel because it was closed. It was closing while we were at dinner. So I know she wanted to do that today. And she mentioned something about riding bikes. So I don't know if she would do that today either. But we're going to see. We're going to check in. But let me go meet these fools. See what they up to. All right, everybody say hi to the cam. Do boom, boom, boom. Little B-roll, little information. Da, 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 da. And we're back. So we're in this little market that is downtown National Harbor. It's called the Potomac Gourmet Market. It's super cute. It has like wine and stuff in here. What else? We got sandwiches, coffee. It's like different cheeses. We got our ticket. And it's like super cute. It's like the perfect market to pick up and go. Ooh, helmets. This is like such a vibe. Me and my sister was like talking about the apartments down here. I want to look into some of the apartments. Just because I'm like working from home, I just feel like I should have my own at this point because it's been a little difficult with being at home since, you know, I don't know how long I'm gonna be here, but I definitely want to check out some apartments. And I've been checking out all the and I've been like checking out all the stuff, all the food places, all the things to do, all that while being down here. So I feel like I would love living down here. I feel like this is about to give me a piece of home. Oh yeah. Oh yes.
Oh shit.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
This chef's kiss.